Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with Two-Way Direct. Today I have the new Hytera HP602 radio and we're going to build it. We have the radio itself here, the battery, the antenna, the belt clip, the wrist strap, the charger, and the power cord. So let's build this. First, I'll actually use the belt clip and the battery. It's easier to slide this in without the radio. You wait for the click and you're good to go. The battery also has a few indents and grooves that you need to match up to the radio. So you match those up, you slide up until it clicks. The radio seems to turn on once you add the battery, so you could just wait for that to turn on, or you can manually turn it on the side. Now I'll add the antenna by twisting clockwise. You don't want to twist it too tight to strip the part on the inside, so you want to make sure it's tight but not too tight. If you choose to add the wrist strap, there's a section on the back here. You can put the small part first and then run the lanyard through the loop. The charger has the port in the back for the power cord. And always remember, before you charge your radio, you want to turn off your radio. So we'll turn it off here. Now we can gently slide the radio into the charger and it's good to go. To get your HP radio, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.